Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. Today join me as I cook this delicious jollof rice with fried chicken and fried plantain and coleslaw as the sides. Stay tuned. I have my cut and cleaned chicken in the saucepan. I'm going in with some seasoning and then some blended ginger, onion, garlic, and habanero pepper, the green ones, of course. And then I'll go ahead and add in some water, stir everything together, and allow this to steam until a little bit tender. Once it's soft enough, I'll go ahead and air fry it off camera. So in the meantime, let me start my jollof. I have some oil in the pan heating up. I'm adding some curry powder, jollof seasoning, and bay leaves and some local mixed spices. I'm going to allow this to fry for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then I'll go ahead and add in my chopped onions. I'll sweat the onions a bit for about 5 minutes to have them very soft or soft enough. Then I'll proceed. Meanwhile, if this is your first time here, hello, my name is Yasmi and you're welcome to my kitchen. Please consider subscribing and joining this amazing family. To my jollof base, I've added some blended ginger, garlic, onions, and pepper, and then I'll give this a good mix, cover, and allow to cook for about 5 minutes. That will release all the sweetness in the onions, especially. If you've watched the video till this point, please consider giving me a thumbs up. Like, click on the like button, okay? Leave a comment down below when you're done watching and share as well when you're done watching. So my jollof base is doing well. I'm going to go ahead and add in my tomato paste. Mix that also in very well and give this about 5 minutes to stew properly. So like I said in the beginning, I air fried the chicken. There's a recipe. I'm going to leave the link in the description box. You could check it out. The suya spiced chicken recipe. It was so good, okay? I got the inspiration from Up Close with Abena. So I'm going to leave that link in the description box for you to check it out and make the same thing for yourself, okay? So my base is doing well, like I said earlier. Now I'll give it a good stir, making sure that it's not burning. So I'm cooking this on low heat or medium low heat, okay? And at this point, I'm adding my blended tomatoes. Mix everything in properly and then cover and allow this to simmer down beautifully till the oil settles on top of the stew. This is by way of information, okay? Apart from my YouTube channel, you can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and Threads, okay? So I'll leave all those links in the description box. If you're not following me there, run and go and follow me, okay? So now I added my chicken stock. I'll give this a good mix also and give it about maybe 3 to 5 minutes to marry all the flavors, and then I'll go in with my washed rice. I don't know, I can't emphasize this enough. For especially Ghana jollof, right? It's essential that you wash your jollof before adding it to the rice most of the time, unless maybe you're using basmati and you don't want to wash it, okay? But wash it to get rid of most of the starch before you add it into your stew or your sauce. So once everything is mixed together with the stew nicely, I'm going to cover and allow the steam to cook down the jollof a bit. I'm not adding water just yet. So you realize I didn't add any salt to my stew before adding the stock. When I tasted the stew after adding the stock, I realized it was okay. So that's why I didn't add any other salt. But you can taste and then correct for salt, okay? So now my jollof has singled out beautifully. And I can say it's half cooked, okay? So I'm going to add some hot water to it and then cover and allow it to cook for the first half, if I may say. And then once I go in again, I'll fluff the rice up and then cover again and leave it to cook completely. And if you can see in the background, Mr. Ajimam Watson was doing the most by helping me do the dishes. Thank you so much, my dear. Teamwork makes the dream work. So after about 15 minutes on low heat, I went ahead to check on my jollof and it was doing great. So I went ahead to fluff it up a bit and then covered again with my parchment paper and the lid and allowed it to continue cooking completely. I have a playlist of all my jollof rice recipes also in the description box. If you're not going to make this one, check out the rest because you're going to enjoy those recipes as well. So like I said in the beginning, we are making some coleslaw for the sides, okay? or as one of the sides. So just simple shredded cabbages, shredded or grated carrots, and then I added in some salad cream. You can use mayonnaise, but this one in particular, I use salad cream. Okay, that was it. I stirred everything or mixed everything up together, and that was our side. And we had some leftover fried plantain. I just had to heat it up a bit and then added it to our jollof. Right, so now bring your spoons, your forks, your clean hands, and let's dig in into this jollof rice with fried chicken, coleslaw, and fried plantain. I hope you try this recipe and enjoy alone or with your family and loved ones. Please don't forget to subscribe, leave your comments down below, like, share this video, and let's keep this family growing. And until I see you again in another video, please don't forget to keep blooming.